Check it out. Just got this in the mail. And this is an LED flashlight. Look at it, it's super small, right? So this could be interesting. I wonder how bright it is. I'm hoping it's super, super bright. So let's get it unboxed and check it out. Oops. It does come with, oh, hang on, I gotta get it. USB to USB-C. Everything's USB-C now, you guys. So, you know, you might as well throw away your USB-As. Here it is, bam, done. Look at it, check it out. Looks pretty cool, doesn't it? Look at it, shows you all the like circuitry and stuff in there. That's the bright light. Over here is the on button. And I don't, oh look, this turns. Look at this, check it out. So you can do it this way, or you can do it like that. And this has a little clip on it, so you could put it like on your shirt, like if I'm working on something, right? See if I can get it on here, like this, right? So I'm working on something, I need like my hands free. Bam. Let's go ahead and turn it on and see what happens. Whoops, oh shit. Look at that. Wow, that's bright. Boom. Whoo. Now I can turn it this way and hold it like this. Ooh. I don't have the lights on here. It's not that dark in here right now. Now, if I hit this again, see it's at 70%, it tells me. If I hit it again, I think this might go on. Oh no, it does, it goes lower. It does a flash. And it goes off. All right, so let's check it out. It goes like this. 1, that's the brightest. 2, a little bit less bright, right? 3, flashy. Oh, I'm having an epileptic seizure. Yikes. 4, off, right? And then over here on the bottom, you got your USB-A, which I think it's a power bank, and USB-C. And on the top here, if I click this, you can see it shows me it's at 69%. So we burnt about 1% just doing this. This will give you an idea how bright it is. Here, watch. Look at my hand. You ready? So it goes a little bit less. Then it does that thing. Disco! Then that, and then it's off. So that's basically how it works, right? And yeah. Oh yeah, I'll show you how to charge it. So I do have a USB-C, which is plugged into a block. So you're going to need your own block. It doesn't come with a block. And so all you got to do is shove it right in its little port down there. Oh, I hope this doesn't hurt. Ooh, got it in. And then it's going to show you that it's charging right here. You follows me? And so you just let her charge up to 100%. And bam, Bob is your uncle. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Let's turn it on. Yeah, that's going to make a good thumbnail. Ooh. All right. Peace out.